A quick fact, there are 15 lakh engineering graduates graduating every year in India alone, out of which more than 90% of them are not fit to be hired in their field of study. So what exactly is the reason? First, outdated syllabus. Second, lack of industry experience. And third, lack of industry relevant skills. Keywords like artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural networks have been creating a buzz among students, making them believe that learning AI alone would make them different from their competitors. The answer is again a big no. AI is about analyzing data. So what about generating data, transmitting this data, or sampling this data? Nobody talks about these. This is where I would like to introduce EdinPro's unique learning workflow, which consists of 4 pillar modules: sensing, automation and robotics, IoT or Internet of Things, app and web design and development, and at the last, AI or artificial intelligence. Let me give you an example to explain these 4 pillar modules and the importance of them and how interlinked they are. Let's take a scenario of a room having a temperature sensor. Now, the duty of the temperature sensor is obviously to measure the ambient temperature. First case. That is where we talk about sensing. Next, if the temperature goes above a particular threshold, then the fan needs to be turned on. That is where the automation is involved. So, if the temperature goes above 30 degrees, I turn on my fan. So, the modules of sensing and automation are covered. In this module, the fundamentals of robotics are also covered, making it the first and the most important pillar of learning. The second module, that is IoT, Internet of Things, is connecting various devices using Internet as a medium of communication. I might be sitting anywhere in the world and I would like to know what is happening here. In order to do that, I obviously need a medium of communication. In Internet of Things, we use Internet as a medium of communication to send these data. So, I might have my temperature sensor streaming me real-time data to my mobile or computer. Now, I might be receiving this data. Now, how do I view this? I obviously need an application on mobile or a desktop to see this data. That is where our third module of app and web design and development are being covered. This is where learners would be able to send and receive data using sensors, internet, and their application as a medium. Now, after having received all this data, the final step to do is analyze these data. That is where we talk about artificial intelligence. Our unique learning workflow has been extremely beneficial to over 10,000 plus students over 18 plus institutions. And this has turned out to be successful for students and the institution. We invite your institute to collaborate with us and introduce the world's most advanced skill development curriculum at your institute.